Hello everyone, friends on the Velour channel. Today I will show you how to generate cities from the real world and landscape with the help of Arnis. Go to the chapter in the browser, right here Arnis, go to the site and click download for free. Here, download the latest release here from GitHub, and accordingly we will need to download this Windows exe file. Well, because I have Windows. If you have a Mac, then download it for Mac. Here, click Start. We have such a tab opening. Click No Thank You. Choose here which Minecraft we have, Java or Bedrock. I'll do it for Java. We choose accordingly the place. Let me choose Paris. Here it is. And we choose accordingly the place where we will do it. To do this, click on this square, select the square you need, and click Start Generation. That's it, but to do this, we will first need to choose a world. Click on Select World, Arnis World 1. Click on Generate. That's it, and we are waiting for this process to be completed. After the generation is over, we will need to go to the Minecraft launcher. Go to Minecraft and then click Play. And here we already have our world. So we enter it. That's it. And accordingly, here is now the piece that I generated, this piece of the river, Paris. Yes, where I just chose the area. That's what he is. Accordingly, this is how it is done. In general, it is not difficult. Here, mother, I am in Paris, that's all. Velour was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Have a good life to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Bye, everyone.